Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's just check let's just check the current one. So we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen. So now just to change the lock screen wallpaper, for example, we should launch the settings application and then click here to the display section, then tap here to wallpaper and tap, for example, to wallpapers. For example, here we can see all the folders with the default wallpapers. If you want to use them, you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data, and also we can use our device photos previously taken on our device camera or from the Google account, for example. So let's go just with the default ones, select one from these wallpapers. For example, I'll go with this one. Here we can click to set wallpaper and we want to change the lock screen. So tap here, we can see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and let's just check that. So now we can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can do it by the second word. Just hold for a while one from your device screens, and then you'll see here the wallpaper section. Click here, and by the same word, just select one from these available wallpapers. For example, let's go this one. Click here, set wallpaper, select lock screen, and that's it. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.